Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do chocolate cake without oven, without cocoa powder and even without cream. The first we are going to do is the basic chocolate cake. For this, take half a cup of sugar, powder it. The sugar powder is ready. Next take an egg, and if you don't want to use egg, you can go for quarter cup of curd or yogurt. To this, let us add the powdered sugar. Give a nice beat. The egg has to become frothy. Once the egg is beaten well, you can add a quarter cup of milk and a quarter cup of refined oil. Now give a nice beat. You have to beat this well for at least 3 to 4 minutes. For this chocolate cake, we are not going to use cocoa powder. Instead, we are going to take a quarter cup of Bournvita. Bournvita will be little coarse, so we have to powder it first. If you have cocoa powder, well and good, you can use that. This is ready. Now we'll collect all the dry ingredients. 1 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and the powdered Bournvita. Let us sieve this one so that it gets mixed well. Our dry ingredients are ready. Next we'll move on to the wet ingredients. Already we have beaten the egg and oil. To that we are going to add vanilla essence, 1 big spoon. If you are using eggs, vanilla essence is very essential, otherwise you will get that egg smell. Now let us add the dry ingredients little by little into the wet ingredients and give a nice mix. This is the batter consistency. We are going to bake this in a pressure cooker. Spread some oil all over the pressure cooker. You can use a parchment paper, that is butter paper, to avoid the batter sticking to the pan. Apply some more oil and pour the batter. Let us tap this one to make it even and avoid air bubbles. Now place an iron tawa on the flame and heat this for at least 5 minutes. Once it is hot, you can place the cooker on it. Remove the whistle from the lid and close the cooker. Bake this for 40 to 45 minutes in low flame. For the decoration, we need chocolate sauce and chocolate frosting. First, we'll do the sauce. For the sauce, take 3 tablespoons of Bournvita. To this, add half a cup of water. And 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Give a nice mix. Mix everything well and keep it on the flame and start stirring. You have to stir this continuously until this becomes thick. So here our sauce is ready. You can take it out and let it cool. Next is the chocolate frosting. For the frosting, take 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this add half a cup of sugar. And half a cup of milk. Give a nice mix. No lump should be formed. Give a nice mix and keep it on the flame. Stir this continuously until this becomes thick. Once this is thick, you can switch off the flame and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of Bournvita. If you have cocoa powder, you can use that also. So here our frosting is also ready. Let this cool down. By that time we'll look into the cake. This is after 40 minutes. You have to let the cake cool down and take it out. So here our cake is ready. Next we'll move on to the decoration. Let me shape the cake first. Cut the cake into 2 halves. Apply some prepared frosting and spread it evenly. Now close the cake with the other half. For the sides also you can use the same frosting. For the top we are going to use the prepared chocolate sauce. I have some more frosting here, so I am going to pipe it on the cake. And top the flowers with some melted jam. Sprinkle some crushed cake pieces. The cake will taste so good. Do try it at home. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.